We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
And I hey Joseph Lin.
Joseph，唔知客家文化園區的台北嘢嗎？
唔知
哦，
唔知，因為你講什麼我都唔知。I have no idea what you're talking about. That means I don't know, by the way. 唔知 if you forgot what it meant.
好冇相干。
你在說什麼？
沒關係，我撈你講，聽清楚。三峽。
三峽
就是三峽。
三峽 ，OK， 三峽，在台北嘛？
台北縣，
沒錯嘛。In Taipei County，OK。
台北縣有一個客家文化園區。
哎，等一下，這個我可能聽到，客家就客家嘛。文化
園區。
園區
，Yeah，
哎是嗎？So there's a Hakka Cultural Park in Taipei County. Okay, so far I'm comprehending this. And
你朗朗5年，
你朗朗什麼？你朗朗，我朗朗，你朗朗。
哎呦，你朗朗5年。
哦，你在講2005年，對不對？
錯啦。
Oh, that's 2005. All right.
8月
初四。Okay. So back in 2005, August 4th. Oh, they built this Hakka Cultural Park, basically, huh?
2005年8月初四成立。
Oh, okay. So for those people who want to look for some Hakka culture, it's available to you since last year, August 4th, and it's called the Hakka Cultural Park. It's located in Sanxia Town in Taipei County. And I heard, I guess I would assume there's a lot of great stuff you can find there. 可以看到些什麼東西呢？
客家的建築。
Hakka 的建築就是客家的建築，是不是 ？Okay, so you can find a lot of traditional Hakka architecture. 我聽說有一個東西叫圓樓啊。
圓一啲哦。
矮笛這樣子對嗎？
錯啊。
好。
圓樓。
Okay, that's the circular building. And of course, you can probably buy some souvenir at the park too, 對不對？這個紀念品在那邊也可以買，對不對？
有啊。
有紀念品怎麼說？
紀念品。
Okay, that's souvenir. So once again, you can go to this Hakka Cultural Park located in Taipei County.
客家文化園區。
Hakka 文化園區. That's how you say it in Hakka. And that does it for a Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.